Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2017 F-350 LARIAT in magnetic with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. This has a 6.7-liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8 and it's a rear-wheel drive. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It has a trailer tow package, navigation, twin panel moonroof, as well as a backup camera and backup sensors. It also has a spray-in liner. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also power extending and power folding mirrors, memory for 3 drivers, and there's a nice inlay. Your driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your emergency parking brake, power tailgate release, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and there's a grab handle making it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button, and we're going to have our menu on the screen here, and we're going to toggle through. I'm just going to get to the top so that you can see my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. You also have an automatic select shifter. When I press the end, the tow haul will appear to the left and off again. In the center, you have the Sony branding for your audio system, as well as a little bin. And there's your exhaust brake, traction control, hazard lights, hill descent. And there's your lane keeping. And your screen is a touch screen, so we can touch on the sources for your media, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have your climate button that shows you the dual climate control, as well as a heated steering wheel. And then you have navigation. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And as well, you can touch on your settings and slide through for different options, things like Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and so forth. Below is your volume and tuner. There's your CD player. And you have your dual climate control there, so you can touch on the screen or you can do it here. And you also have heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger. There's your fan, AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential and an integrated trailer brake controller. Down below, a couple of USB outlets. You just press this and it'll close it right up. You've got a bin and a couple of cup holders, and there's ambient lighting. That's what that ring is on the bottom. The armrest opens up, and there's a nice little bin in there. Take that out. You've got lots of room down below, plus a 12 volt. And we can close that up. Off to the side, 12 volt and 110. You've got 2 glove compartments. One is locking, the lower one, and your auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, as well as your lighting controls and sunglass holder. You also have upfitter switches, and there's the button for the power sliding back window. And this has a twin panel moonroof, so we can press this and it'll slide across. And you also have a power screen, so you can control the light and air in here. And there's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. Ridge tires, 20-inch wheels, chrome and magnetic running board, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity you can lock and unlock the doors, as well as keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, fuel cap. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera's just above that handle, and you also have backup sensors on your bumper. There's a 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, locking spare tire, and when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you double click your fob. It powers it down. And inside you've got a nice spray-in liner, tie-downs in all 4 corners, and you also have a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have a remote speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You also have that nice inlay, and there's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. And on the floor, you have a collapsible, lockable bin. And then when you want to bring the seat down, simply pull the tab and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and on the floor there's an all-weather mat for easy cleanup, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center you have a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 and USB outlets, as well as air vents on either side. And the little red seats you're seeing are the heated seats for the rear here. And there's a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and that twin panel moonroof. And in the back, access to a power sliding window. Dual exhaust, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and this vehicle's had only one owner. And there's so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.